In this video, I will introduce how to use PVC pipes to make professional and powerful telescopes. I recycled a discarded PVC pipe and used a saw to cut a section of the pipe. First, blacken the inner wall of the PVC pipe. Take a few sheets of white paper and paint them black with black ink. Then glue the black paper to the inner wall of the PVC pipe with wheat paste. Cut out the telescope grating on harder paper. The grating of the telescope can effectively reduce the influence of scattered light. The telescope needs a focusing seat. Drill 3 holes at one end of the PVC pipe, and fix the focusing seat with 3 screws later. But there is still a big gap between the focusing seat and the PVC pipe, so I used 3 small wood chips as the bracket between them. Drill the screw holes in the small wood chip. Fix the small wood chip to the focusing seat with screws. Reinforce small wood chips with hot melt glue. Drill a hole in the wood chip again. This hole corresponds to the previous hole on the PVC pipe. Fill the gap between the PVC pipe and the focusing seat with black sponge. It can insulate external interference light. Now formally install the focusing seat to the PVC pipe. Insert the black sponge outside into the gap. And finally fix it with 3 screws. This is the refraction astronomical telescope objective lens. Composed of 2 separate lenses, with achromatic function. The focal length is about 600 millimeters. Put the objective lens into the objective lens holder. In order to seal, the outer circle of the objective lens holder is also pasted with black sponge. Finally, insert the objective lens holder into the other end of the PVC pipe. I mounted the telescope on a camera tripod. Take off the quick release plate on the tripod. Drill a hole in a wood chip of the right size. Then screw the quick release plate to the wood chip. Use hot melt glue to glue the wood chip and quick release plate to the telescope barrel. Reinforced wood strips are also glued on both sides. Like this, the telescope can be easily mounted on the tripod. If you look through your telescope with the standard eyepiece, you will notice that objects may be either upside down and flipped. This 45-degree erect image prism can easily solve this problem. It makes the object image will be right side up and left to right correct. After installing the eyepiece, the making telescope is finished. This is finally done. Does it look pretty good? Now test its imaging performance. Now I using Prozl 10mm eyepiece. The telescope is now pointed at the building in the distance, which looks very small to the naked eye. But the building seen in the telescope is very clear and close. Those windows and roofs can be seen clearly. Use this telescope to observe the moon at night. You can see the craters and the moon sea on the moon. It is so awesome. Thanks for watching. Welcome to subscribe to my channel for more videos.